Welcome to JH. Looking for the best Swiss broker? Today we're pitting Swissquote against Saxo Bank to see which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's start with fees, because nothing says finance like watching your margins get nibbled away. Saxo Bank apparently had a change of heart in 2024, slashing their prices from outrageous to actually competitive. They now charge a lean 0.08% per trade. Swissquote, on the other hand, seems to think their brand name justifies a much higher price tag. The real divide happens at currency exchange. Saxo charges about 0.25%, while Swissquote hits you with 0.95%, which is nearly 4 times more expensive for the exact same digital transaction. To make matters worse, Saxo deleted their custody fees entirely in early 2025. Meanwhile, Swissquote still demands up to 200 francs a year just for the privilege of holding your account, unless you're already a millionaire, in which case, why are you even watching this? When it comes to the tech, Saxo's platform is the darling of the experts. It's clean, fast, and doesn't look like it was designed during the Cold War. Swissquote is perfectly functional and offers fractional trading, which is great if you want to buy a tiny slice of an expensive stock and pretend you're a high roller. Swissquote acts more like a traditional bank, while Saxo is built for active traders who value efficiency over heritage. Both are incredibly safe and regulated, so you don't have to worry about your broker vanishing into the mountains overnight. Swissquote is the classic Swiss choice with more history and probably smells like mahogany, while Saxo is the Danish alternative that's much faster to set up. If you enjoy filling out endless forms as a hobby, Swissquote is for you. Otherwise, Saxo's digital onboarding is a breath of fresh air. The bottom line is simple. Saxo Bank is the clear winner for anyone who prioritizes low costs and modern tools. You should only stick with Swissquote if you really want a full-service Swiss banking experience and don't mind paying a loyalty tax for the privilege. For the rest of us who prefer keeping our money in our own pockets, Saxo takes the trophy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe if you want more honest takes.